Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Google Voice language. First, open your web browser and go to My Account, Google.com. Sign in if prompted. Once logged in, look for the navigation menu, usually on the left side or top. Click on Data and Privacy to proceed. This section holds many important account controls, including language preferences. After clicking Language, you'll see your current language displayed. To change it, simply click on the current language. A comprehensive list of available languages will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar to find your preferred option. Once you've made your selection, confirm it to save the changes. This action updates the language across many Google services. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, changing your Google Voice language is a small step towards comfort, just like choosing the right socks. Life's too short for cheap socks go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To ensure the language change has taken effect, refresh your Google Voice page. You should immediately notice the interface in your newly selected language. It's also a good idea to check other Google services you use, like Gmail or Search, as this setting often applies broadly. If you don't see the change, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.